vamos aquí a una hot lap con un piloto profesional en el MC20, el super deportivo de Maserati.
GTs. All right, my name is Eduardo Marquez. We are the Concours Club. We're gonna do a couple hot laps and see what the MC20 can do. It's fine, we're not going to need much more.
How do you like this track?
Oh, it's great. It's a good combination of you know, different speeds, a lot of technical corners without keeping, you know, you in a high speed all the time. So it's a very safe track to be able to drive and feel it and learn and exercise all the different tricks without risking all the time. So that's nice. I like not to go too crazy, but I like to create a nice flow so you can feel the car in the track without risking too much, you know.
What about the car, the MC20?
It's fantastic. A lot of people don't know, like I did a lot of work with them when it came out, and people don't know how much I was into this car actually to build this, and it's a fantastic car. And even the Gran Turismo, super capable, incredible amount of grip, power. It's just comfortable, it has space. I always love the sound of Maseratis, you know, it's like one of the best things ever. So yeah, it can't go wrong, really. Beautiful.
What's the engine? A V8?
Beautiful cars. On this one?
Yeah.
No, it's 6.
Oh, this.
Yeah. I'll show you on the beautiful amount of power, right, from a smaller engine.
And more exclusive than others that are too many on the road. Not many people have an MC20, right?
No, yeah, it's a rare car to see, and it's beautiful. And everybody, when you go somewhere with this car, you know, we did Pebble Beach and different things with them, and it was fantastic. Everybody loves the way it looks. I think you have another gentleman there who's gonna go here. I'll pull up in a moment. Hold on, just waiting for them.
Just go a little slower so you guys can see everything. Brake 30 harder and slow it down well. Back in the throttle slowly here, progressively.